Alright guys, so as the usual step, I'm going to start off by putting my cat ears on to hold my hair back. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a green base color because I didn't really have like the turquoise color, and I'm layering white over it just to make it a lighter shade. And then I'm just blending that all over my face. Now I'm just taking the dark green by itself, and I'm just gonna kind of contour my face and add it as if I was to just bronze, basically to add some depth. Now I'm taking it green mixed with a little bit of black, and I'm just gonna paint like a triangle on my nose, and this is just to give the effect that I'm like missing my nose. Now I'm taking that same green and I'm just blending it in my brow bone, like the inner corner as well as around my nose. And here I'm just taking white and I'm painting on these like squares or rectangles because these are going to be the teeth. And then I'm taking black and I'm just adding some depth and outlining each tooth. I do add a few more rows of teeth just because I felt like I didn't add enough, and I'm just going back with the same black and I'm outlining once again. I didn't have any pink, so I just kind of mixed red and white together and I made this pink shade. And I'm just outlining kind of like flesh around the opened tooth wound. And then I'm taking black and I'm just outlining it. This Fortnite look is like more of a comic kind of zombie look, because in my recent video, my first Halloween one, it was like more of a realistic zombie, so this is more of a comic one. And now I'm just taking a neon sort of green color and I'm just going to fill in my lips. And now I'm just taking black and I'm going to outline the green. In the picture, she does have kind of these like angry forehead lines, like the wrinkles you get when you're mad. So I did those in black, and then I'm doing my eyeliner. And I did a pretty bad job with it just because it was face paint in the wrong brush and obviously not actual makeup. But you can go ahead and use actual makeup if you have it. I just didn't have it with me at the time. I'm taking that same pink color that I created and I'm just gonna paint under my eye and then 2 circles underneath, and that's gonna be another open flesh wound. And I just outlined it with black, and then I went back in with a black liner or the black face paint and I created another wing. And obviously, by what you guys can see, I'm definitely better with my left hand on my left eye rather than the right. Now I'm taking a mixture of black and green and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows to give more of that cartoon effect as well. And now I'm bringing that same green shade we created down to my neck. And I take black and I outline like the little creases in my neck as well, and the collarbone to add some more depth. And now, as in the video game, I'm just gonna tie up my hair in a high ponytail. And then I'm taking 2 pieces of hair to frame my face. And I forgot what the name of these shape of glasses are, radiator glasses or something. But those are the ones she has on, and this is a finished look. Alright guys, so sorry for the late uploads. It's because I've been kind of busy with like work and stuff. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It was kind of like last minute. It is like 12 in the morning right now, so that's why it's not my usual Halloween setup. But this is the Fortnite Zombie girl look. It's not blended that good because I didn't have the eyeshadows, but if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to comment down below any more face paint ideas or video ideas that you guys might have, and I'll see you in the next video.